UGMC hospital to check and on Kuami Eugene to see how far things are going. I arranged for another car to take him to the hospital. That's the UGMC hospital. Yeah, so I am still here, and people have come around to help. So we are here. So trying to make sure everything is okay. But he's fine. He just had a broken arm. Yeah, he had a broken arm and with some blood all over him. But it's fine. It would have been fair, he would have gone, but thank God he's still alive because the car is badly damaged. All the airbags is popped out, and as you can see, so we are still here. Yeah, it's really bad. Yeah. No, you can't close. It can't close. Just leave it. Don't worry. They'll take it. They'll take it. It's okay.
However, Yamama about trending stories on social media. NBTV, so we are new one, but more than so be subscribe or not turning on notification bell, no be family no on grow together. And then the stories I hear them out, channels, and yeah, and ijisem. As I say, one of the most loved Ghanaian musician, Kuami Eugene. Hello, Monica. Can you come over? I was around some yensa kan and it's yenya me enya kwenshia ano din ye papa. Na na nyo no nkwa na shine no na wo team no mo ye mienu ene na ewom. Na udi free achemota e de ko jowlu kwan ne so hono no. Eno na ma beto dwa se Ghanaian most loved musician Kuami Eugene enya kwenshia ano din ye papa wone tipa track bi ana kabom a wo hwe diwe Kuami Eugene ke ya wo hwe was screen you see ya. I know the year papa. Many of said the Oma Bomodi did not go PM. I was University of Ghana. I are Sabia. A doctor for General so able modern say ye per Irisa Edia Mana. But Oshimwa, Kwame Eugene about the truth just any one can ye papa, Nensa, a more buya and also able and wapai. The team winning a prepare crack, Doctor Fugusu General Swa. Ye say ye benya Irisa Edia Man to Ghana yina a bompire Edema Ghanaian most loved musician Kwame Eugene. Now I fear your room with 2024 year. Because I fear I know the person say dear chat dear saying no different stories, different news, different sad stories and eba. And ye na go to Jenima, ye mompire and from a Ghanaian most loved musician. Hello Monica, can you come over? Na sa nyumu we ana akamia. Mema mipi wakache ne base tonyomba akupe na minja obro nyuma akula ne to yane hello Monica can you come over enti yenyi na yemompa yemfama Kwame Eugene said ya kwenshia we share obetimi afrim no nya hoden ade aba stage so aba beto nyuma dia entertain yenyi na ewo ene day when stories ayede ma one ewo trending stories on NBTV.